Now to pick up from the last video, you should be left off on this screen here, which is your basic Drupal installation. To get the QUsers website up and going, you're going to have to go into modules, and you're going to look for a module called the backup migrate module. I would just do a Control F and type in back. In this case I already enabled it, but it should be unenabled already, so you're going to want to click it and then page down to the bottom of the screen and click Save Configuration. This is going to enable the module that you need to restore all the tables into your database so that the website actually runs on what I created. So once this happens, you're going to go into configuration, and you go to the backup and migrate, and then you're going to go to restore, and then you're going to choose upload a backup file. And in that file that you downloaded earlier, it's going to contain a backup file for you. So in this case, we're going to click on choose file. I have that file on my desktop already under working database. Should be the same one that you have. And then you're going to click restore now. This might take a minute or so, depending on how fast your web server is. Alright, now that it's restored, you can click out of it, go to the main page. Alright. My website's still loading here. Things aren't showing up quite perfectly. Alright, once the site is uploaded, you can see once you try to go to other links that they're not working. That's because there's, at least with Bluehost, they don't have an Apache module working. So you have to physically add it to your htaccess file. So when you go into your main directory, or probably be your public HTML, wherever your Drupal installation is located, you're going to want to open up the .htaccess file, view and edit, and right now it should be something like that. We're actually going to add some code so that it should alter this issue. I already copy pasted this code, but I'm also going to include a file within the resources that'll have this code in there for you to copy and paste. So once you add this code, just save it, close it, and re-upload it to the server. As you can see now that once that worked, everything kind of loads good now. Granted, my Bluehost on a very fast server, so things kind of load kind of slow, but that should fix the loading of most of the site. As you can see, there's a couple images that aren't loaded. In order to fix this, you just go into configure block. Once you're inside the block, you just have to go to image properties and browse server. Once you do that, just do Control F and type in logo 59. It's going to bring you to this LinkedIn logo. You should be OK, and then go to Save Block. This is going to update the image location. Also, you'll have to do the same on the membership page. It has something to do with the IMCE when you transfer it from the from localhost to the server. All you have to do is Control F, type in Chuck, you'll find Chuck's here, and then just click OK, and then it should update it. We go to image properties again for Kim. As you can see, it's just type in Kim. Update. Image properties again. Well, all we'll have to do is remove this by the looks of it. We should update it because I was moving from my website. And then just save. And it should fix the a couple image files. Alright, now you see a red error there. This means that we have to change our temporary file storage. So in order to do that, you're going to go to Configuration. You're going to go down to Media File System. And then you're going to want to change the temporary directory to wherever it's located in the root of your web host. In my case, since I'm using a subdomain, I had to bounce out a couple directories to get to it. And then you hit save, and that should solve this issue. And you shouldn't have those errors pop up anymore. You should be able to freely bounce between the website without getting any errors. That concludes my video.